this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church. This video is not sponsored by Samsung, but it really should be. Today I'm going to be highlighting their newest phone, well, newest to this day, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And this phone has got a lot of features, let me tell you. So we're going to get right to the features right about now. Okay, I'm going to start by, let's see. So underneath the phone, you can remove the stylus. This thing looks like this. It's got a button you can see here. This button is actually kind of hard to find sometimes. It's not really instinctual, but it does come in handy for a lot of things. For example, if I push it, see that? It automatically turns on the phone there. Of course, I got to log in and stuff, do all my usual stuff. But it also does this if I hold it down. It automatically opens the camera. And if I want to, it'll even take a selfie of me. Hang on, I'll just do a little thing like that. Oh, hey, look at that. Peter, you're actually in the shot this time. I like that. Sweet. Let's get a shot of that. Yep. And we got it. All right. Okay, that one's going in the album. Anyway, so also you can see this little thing over here. When I open that, this opens a lot of great stuff. I can create note, do all this stuff I'm going to talk about. I'm going to view my notes because I decided when I was making this presentation to just kind of set up here my notes. There's a picture of my dog that I drew. It kind of looks like a cartoon dog, but I really like it. And I can always make alterations on it. Or can I? Okay, that might be a saved file. That's just some scribbles I did. But let's see, what do I want to, let's see, camera button. Well, I've already talked about that, so let's go to my next note. Media mode tricks. What was that? Oh, yes. I discovered that, if you're going along with this phone and you've got something like YouTube playing, let's see, there's this Bay watching video I was watching. Okay, you can do something like this and you're turning up the volume. You can also play pause. See that? Kind of an interesting feature. I've never really seen any phone have that. So, oh yeah, stop. Okay, so those are the media tricks you can do with this. So if you've got like music playing and you want to turn it up, you just take out your phone or you take out your stylus, go. See the volume control bar? Right there. Very handy feature to have. Up, down, 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 down. Not bad, huh? This stylus can come in handy for all sorts of things. So let's see, what other notes did I make? Let's see. Write, not type. Oh yes, this one I really like. I'm going to open, let's see. Oh, this is my wife here. If I hit something like this and open the usual keyboard, I can go up to here and I can write, where is it? Handwriting. And I can handwrite my notes or text that I want to send her. So I say, okay. And I can just send that. See that? It's all sent there. And it even discerns words. I am here. See? Got that going on. So this works for all sorts of things. Like I uncovered Word in this thing in case you ever want to just handwrite a document instead of typing it out on the keyboard or using a Bluetooth. You can do that with this little thing. Comes in handy. What else did I say? Let's see. Spotify and YouTube links. Yes, this is something you can do as well. Let's say, okay, where was that? Oh yeah, using that keyboard. Yeah. You'll note that it has Spotify and it also has YouTube here. So if I want to send my wife a YouTube video, I could actually do that. So, oh, well, that's kind of cool. You know what? Can I just do this? Geek Church. Can I do a search for that? Yeah, let's try that. Ah, dang it. Didn't do it. For some reason it said, what is that, the Geek? Oh, man. Oh, well. Okay. Oh, did I actually do it now? Oh, no, it didn't. Anyway, I was trying to send my wife the latest Geek Church video, but she's already seen it. Come on. I mean, she better have seen it. Okay, so anyway. Oh, here we go, Geek Church. Can we just do that? Hey, look at that. Those are some of my reviews. So I can actually send a link right there and then just send that right to her. And so if you ever have a Spotify hit you want to share through on text or a YouTube video, bam, you can just have a link right there. I'm told it's a feature that's unique to this phone. I don't know if every Galaxy phone can do that, but I thought it was kind of cool. So let's see, what else do we got here? GL notes. Okay, screen right. I think that's, correct shapes. This is an interesting one. Honestly, I'm gonna set up a new note for this. And let's see. This one I had a hard time working before, but see how I'm trying to draw a circle and a square here, but it's hard to do. So what I believe that there is, let's see. Shucks. I know this works here. Yeah. Oh, here we go. Perfect. Okay, I've got that selected. Okay, let's see if it does it. Yes, see that? It just made a perfect square. So if I try and do a circle, it'll do it. Okay, let's try a triangle. Bam! Perfect equilateral triangle right there. So in case you're making some notes or something like that, and you just need like a perfect little shape, you got it right there. So anyway, great feature right there. Screen write. This is just simply a thing where I can just write on the screen. Hey. And you see it just took a screenshot of what I was at. And I can even do some effects on there, which are kind of neat. And, oh yeah, let's shift some, hey. Actually, do we got something here? Whoa. Oh, it's pretty thin. What do we got here? Okay, once again, this is a bit of a, okay, that's, oh shoot, did I screen write on a screen write? Oh man, blah. It's like Inception here. Okay, this one, AR Doodle. Oh my gosh, I have got to show you this one. Okay, ooh, this is, let me get rid of this. This is affecting me. Okay, notice how it's noticing my face. It knows that it's there. And here's the thing, I can actually, I'm gonna just change the angle so it's just my face. Sorry, Peter, I gotta get you out of the shot. Okay, so I'm gonna just draw. Just some eyebrows there. So check that out. Notice as I'm turning my head, the eyebrows are actually staying there, as if they were part of my face itself. And I'm gonna just, I wonder what this is. Ooh, rainbow cheeks. I still got my rainbow cheeks. Now, granted, it hovers a little there, but you can see what's going on here. And you gotta admit, that's pretty freaking cool. I can even do like a lightning bolt. Oh, hey, I'm Harry Potter. I couldn't think of anything else. Okay, we got blue. I'm sure there's probably a black here in case I want to, but let's just do, what the heck, we'll just do a blue mustache here. See? I'm like a different type of person here. And I can hit this thing and record it, send it out, put it on Google Photos, do all kinds of things. This is just one handy little thing here. Let's see, what else can we do? Translate, I've actually tried this out, but I don't really have anything to do it now. Oh, Smart Select. I'm going to just do that. Basically, it will take something, and it will take part of something, and you can pin this to the screen. You can do something with it. Even if it also, if there's like words in it, like let's say you like put a sign here, it will actually, like let's say there was like a sign and you just wanted the text from the sign, you could just select that and you could actually just get the words from there. Anyway, so there are so many features on this that it is really just hard to talk about, but it's just kind of neat just to have a little stylus here. Always keep it down here so it doesn't get lost. If you have a case, I gotta admit, it's sometimes hard to access the stylus. And by the way, this is a new case, a UAG, which we'll talk about in a separate review. And those are the features I want to show so far. Anyway, those are some great features from the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. And it is a decent phone you can pick up now. I got mine through Verizon. I'm sure it's available through all sort of subscribers. But it is a very expensivo phone. It is so expensivo. It is very expensivo. I didn't even realize how expensivo it was when I signed up for it. Needless to say, I'm going to be paying some high phone bills for the next year. However, here's the thing, Samsung. Remember how I said this video is not sponsored by you? This next video for a Samsung product could be sponsored by you. In other words, I'm saying, like, please send us some more Samsung products to review, because honestly, this phone costs us a lot, man. So this is probably going to be the last time that I've talked to any particular company asking me to send me some stuff. Actually, it's probably not going to be the last time. But anyway, this is Mark Rollins from the Geek Church, signing off.